Get ready to bob for apples. Hold on. Let me get a better view. Let me get a better view. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Set, go. Uh-oh, try again, try again. Good job! Good job, buddy, good job. Bottom for apples. Going back down? Good job. I think it's time to eat it now. Whoops. Don't fall, don't fall. Back with the goggles. It's the only boy I know who goes bobbing for apples with goggles. Oh, good job. Yay! Look at me while you eat that apple. You're a goofball.
How's it taste, pal?
Is it yummy?